is going on right now?
Just a great success, really. Another win for the mini truck. We can even spool it up a little. See what it does.
No, that's not, Evan. That is where we have problems.
Find that boost, Benny.
Yeah! Let's go! I think that was one of the most financially irresponsible things we've ever done on the channel. Woo! Dude, my heart was racing.
God, you were building some boost there, dude. This thing sounded like a freaking jet plane.
Well, I had Evan getting after me. He was like, more boost, more boost. And I'm like, bro, we're pulling a 10,000 pound boat and a 1,000 pound truck. I don't think it's gonna do much.
Dude, this is a extremely narrow landing.
Luckily, our truck ain't that wide.
Next problem I see at hand, I don't have reverse because I have a crotch rocket motor as my drivetrain. So I'm gonna need a push.